You can use SharePlay to watch a movie or listen to music with friends while chatting about it in Messages. Here's how. Touch and hold the content in a supported app, or tap the More button. Tap SharePlay. Now add your contacts and tap the Messages button. Everyone you invite to SharePlay needs access to the content through a subscription, purchase, or free trial. Enter a message and tap Send to send the invitation. Once your contacts have joined, tap Start to begin playing. Tap the Messages button to return to Messages. While you're listening and chatting, you can touch and hold the dynamic island to access the playback controls, then tap Anywhere to dismiss them. You can also touch and hold SharePlay in the dynamic island for more controls. Here, you can tap the SharePlay button for additional options, or tap the X to end the session. And that's how you can stay in sync with SharePlay.